Hello class, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to set up your Soundtrap account if you haven't done so yet. So the first thing you're going to do is just highlight this code for me and copy, just Control C. You're then going to click on this little button Soundtrap. It's also located here, but if you click on here, it should bring you to a screen like this and you're going to say join now. This is for educational use. And you're going to join as a student. This is where you're going to type in that unique code, which is already there. If not, I would just Control V. Okay, and then you can either sign up with your personal email, or I recommend your sign up with Office 365. I'm going to sign up with my other account just because it'll make more sense. So you're going to click on here. I'm clicking on that. And then boom, I'm automatically in. Okay, so that's all it took. Easy cheesy. Hope that works for you guys.